In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Adobe Express. Changing your font color is one of the quickest ways to improve readability, create emphasis, and match your design to a brand or theme. We'll walk through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, click the text box you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around the text and the editing options show up on the right side of your screen. If you have multiple text elements on your canvas, make sure you click directly on the one whose color you want to change so you don't accidentally edit the wrong item. With the text box selected, any color changes you make will apply to the entire text inside that box. Next, look to the right-hand panel and click Color. This is the control specifically for font color. It's designed to be fast and straightforward, so you can try different options without breaking your flow. Now, choose a preset color or click the custom color wheel to pick any color. Presets are a great place to start. They're curated for balance and contrast, and they often pair nicely with common backgrounds. If you need something more specific, the custom color wheel gives you full control. Drag along the hue bar to select a base color, then fine-tune saturation and brightness until you land on the exact shade you want. If you already know a hex code for a brand color, you can type it into the picker to match precisely. As you explore, your text color updates instantly, so you can see the results right away. Adjust until it fits your design. Pay attention to contrast. On light backgrounds, darker text is usually easier to read. On dark backgrounds, lighter text will stand out better. If your background is busy, choose a high contrast color that keeps the words clear and legible. Consider mood and message too. Warm tones feel energetic, cool tones feel calm, and muted tones can look refined and professional. Small tweaks can make a big difference, so don't hesitate to nudge the shades slightly darker, lighter, or less saturated to get the perfect balance. That's all there is to it. Click the text box, open color, choose a preset, or use the custom color wheel and adjust until your text complements your design. With these simple controls, you can create a consistent, polished look in just a few moments.